What do you think? Think they're all glad to see me this morning? Hi, everybody. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. All right, I gotta get this cracked corn in there. Okay, everybody. Got the chickens taken care of. Got the one straggler back in. I got this one leghorn. She always gets out. She always lays her egg in the old hen house. I was like, I don't know where she's getting out. She's the only one doing it. So, and then she like really wants to get back in. So I don't know. This guy just have a one weird bird. Anyways, figuring out what my next move is in here. I'm noticing this post right here is not plumb. It is not plumb. So I'm not real sure how I'm going to deal with that. I have to figure that out. I guess that I'm just going to be doing some demolishing right now. I'm going to get this metal bead off of here on this side and on that back wall there. Pull that off. See how much time I've got. And then I got to... Hello, my dear. What are you doing in here? Trooper, you're not supposed to be in here. Trooper, you didn't think I'd notice, huh? You're a bad boy. How'd you get in here? Huh? You're a bad boy. This is the owner's driving horse. He's not supposed to be in here. I'm surprised Jerry's not beating his butt because Jerry's extremely jealous of his girl. Isn't he? Huh, Trooper? It's okay, Trooper. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. I know. You're not supposed to be in here, are you? No. I know. All right. Yeah, standing on my tippy toes. You're nosy, too? Yes, you is. You're a nosy boy. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure, see if a 2x4 will fit in here. I want to see if a 2x4 will fit in here. And if it will, then I'll put one in here. Otherwise, I have to just cap it. And then I'll build up from there. And the owner's supposed to be looking for windows to put in here. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to put a shelf here. I'm going to see... I don't know if a 2x4 will work with that. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do for that. Trooper, you are so nosy. So, which means I got to move some stuff around. So, and I still do have that other roost to put in the hen house, but we'll see. I've only got so much time, and I also remembered to bring the hardware to make the saddle racks. So, let me get things shifted around, and we'll see what I do. Now, Trooper thinks he's gonna be nosy. Yeah. Yeah. I was eyeing a cat's paw at Tractor Supply yesterday, and I'm so wishing I had gotten it. Oh, I guess he doesn't like to be going on camera. He's been bugging me. And now, since I'm recording him here, now he's decided he's going to leave. No, Trooper. Man. There we go. This is not exciting work, but it does have to be done. I think this was put on here to prevent the horses from chewing on the wood. You know what? I don't think it really has helped that much. Yeah, a cat's paw would make this look so much easier. There we go. Trying to be careful with the nails. Don't leave them laying around for the horses to step into, even though there shouldn't be any horses over here. is a long piece. Well, that's so exciting, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to go finish the rest of this and I'll be back. I thought Trooper would be a little bit more entertaining, but he's not. So, maybe after I turn the camera off, then he will be. Okay, I got the whole metal strip off, the whole length down. And I measured, and I do believe a 2x4 will fit in there. So, I want to get that back bead off. I want to get that back bead off next, and then that'll be about it for the demolition. Yeah, and then I can start building up. So, all right, so we'll see how this goes. And I'm not doing too bad for time. Alrighty, I got the back bead done off of there. Okay, and what I think I'm going to have to do, because it's wider than a 2x4, I'm going to run supports front to back, so that I can put like a board, a cap on there to create like a shelf, and that should be good. So that, yeah, I think that's the best thing to do there. The top edge of this board is not the greatest. But, you know, like I said about the chicken house, we're not building a Taj Mahal here. This is just a tack room to store tack in and some feed. So, and we'll see how far I get done. Okay, I have cut my board to length. Okay, this is a 2x4 that I am going to be putting up here, just inside. What I've done is I've pre-drilled some holes on the wall, okay, so I can liquidly put some screws through. I also get this. Where are we at here? Okay. You notice I've got holes pre-drilled and screws started, so the tips are just barely touching the outside edge here. Okay. So I can screw them in. I've got 2 on both ends, and also because I'm pounding it in between 2 walls, I don't want to lose the board. I've screwed 2 screws on at the top, kind of angled, so that the board's not going to fall through. Hopefully, at least that's in theory, because I don't want that to happen. I want it to be flush with the top. All right. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Wish I'd get this camera up just a little bit higher, but we'll see how this works. Okay, what did I do with my hammer? Oh, hammer in hand. Put some screws in my pocket. Actually, I gotta start a couple screws here. Just feel the point. Back off a smidgen. One more down here in the end. Now, let's see how this works. Okay. Hammer. Tied on this beam is going to make it difficult. Let's see if I can get this hammer in here. Take that up a little bit. Okay, hopefully that will push it in. Hopefully, I don't think there's anything blocking it. Nope. Okay, so it should slip in. Okay, let me get that first screw screwed in. Flush, but I don't know that it's going to be flush. Okay, so recording, yeah. Okay, I countersunk the screws on this side so that the screws would bite a little bit more. All right. I think my bit is starting to get worn out. I'm kind of hoping that Santa Claus brings me a new drill set, but we'll see. One more on this side. Alright, we've all got holes. Now I gotta go do the other side. How many screws do I have in my pocket? None. I've used all the ones in my pocket. I don't remember how many holes I put on the other side. I did not countersink those because the horses, there's that metal strip. So okay. I don't think that's going anywhere. Nope. I don't think she's going anywhere. Alrighty. Well, folks, that's all I got time for this morning. So time to clean up. I got to get out of here. So talk at you later.